A sawmill out of Spokane Valley in the hot seat tonight, facing thousands of dollars in fines for health and safety violations. KREM 2's Connor McAvoy joining us live in the newsroom tonight with details on the citations and how the mill is responding tonight. Connor?
Well, according to the Washington State Department of Labor and Industries, multiple safety and health violations were found at the Fox Lumber Sales location in Spokane Valley during an inspection that add up to more than $100,000. I managed to reach out to the director of operations for Fox Lumber on the matter, and he tells me the sawmill will be appealing the citations and fines. Since opening their location in Spokane Valley in January, Fox Lumber's had 2 fires at the location. One was a spark that flipped into a wall, put out with a fire extinguisher. Another occurred when staff was repairing a piece of equipment.
And they weren't sure if they had a spark go into our dust collection, which could fester, and if it lit up later on, could have caused a lot of problems.
Now, LNI is reporting more safety concerns with 61 violations concerning that and the health of staff, exceeding $126,000. The report says sawdust has been found up to 5 inches deep across the facility, saying the amount near space heaters present a fire hazard. The report also says the site is subject to unprotected machinery, potential falling hazards, and a perceived lack of worker training.
So there's some things that we are not sure that their investigator is right on.
Director of Operations for Fox Lumber, Quentin Abaddale, says Fox Lumber will be appealing the citations and fines. He says one reason being a small lumber remanner known as Snow Peak operated at that location for 25 years before Fox Lumber moved to that location.
And it seemed that they were pretty adequate. So since we hadn't made many changes, I think those measures, their safety measures, were still pretty adequate. Now, can they be improved? Almost always you can find a way to improve it, and we are interested in that.
We reached out to Dina Lorraine with LNI Public Affairs to comment, but have not heard back. Any collected fines will contribute to the Washington Workers' Pension Fund, going towards any workers and their families who are affected by the conditions of the sawmill. In the newsroom, Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.